Would you like to make money from home? Well, today I'm going to show you 7 websites that you can use to make $50 a day or even more from the comfort of your home. Now, some of these websites require really simple skills, whereas the other ones I'm going to show you, they do require a bit more of your time and effort. But obviously with those websites, you can make much more than just $50 a day. And I'm going to get into that in just a moment's time. My name is Rupesh and welcome to this channel, Passive Income for All. It's all about helping you to find the best ways to making real money online. So if it's your first time here, a warm welcome to you. Go ahead and click on the subscribe button so that you can be kept up to date on what is happening within the world of online business. So now let's check out the first 2 websites. Okay, so now the first 2 sites that I'm going to show you has to do with freelancing work. So the cool part as a freelancer is that you can list the type of services that you want to offer, and you can also choose the clients whom you would like to serve. Obviously, the more happier the clients are, the more positive reviews you get, and then you can charge much more higher for the services. Now, the services that you can offer can be simple stuff, or it can be more complex stuff. You can offer the simple services such as creating thumbnails, helping people to create thumbnails for either their YouTube videos or even for their blog posts or articles. You can help them to create video intros, or you can even shoot video testimonials. So this is where I'm going to show you the first website. So the first website is of course Fiverr.com, and at Fiverr.com you can post your really simple tasks. Like for instance, if you want to do a testimonial for a company, I will create an exceptional green screen spokesman person video, and yeah, he's charging at $10. Other people, I'll show you here, I will be your green screen spokesperson. He's charging $25. You just simply need to do 2 or 3 and you made more than $50 in a day. Okay, here's someone who will actually write a blog post article. And then you can also do other simple stuff such as video intros. So let's check video intros. This is especially for folks who have got a YouTube channel and they don't have the time to create their very own YouTube video intros. And you can hire somebody and they can hire you if you are on the Fiverr platform. So I will create a YouTube intro video trailer starting at $25. I will create a completely custom professional video intro starting at $150. So as you can see, the more positive reviews you get, the higher you can charge for your services. Now these are the simple skills. I'm going to show you another freelance website where you can charge for specialized skills. And then the second website is Upwork.com, also a freelance website. And here, specialized services, for instance, SEO expert. And okay, you can start off from $15 per hour, but I want to show you some of the guys that have gone much more higher. Like this lady over here, $60 per hour. And so far, she's on 9,000K. And that is just one of specialized service. You can do PPC ads, that's pay-per-click advertising, data science and analytics, engineering, architecture, legal, sales and marketing. There's a host of services which you can choose to be a part of, and just list your services and take it from there. And now moving away from the freelance websites, now I'm going to show you 2 other sites where you can get involved into the e-commerce and affiliate marketing side. One of the e-commerce websites is of course eBay.com. Now with eBay.com, you have a number of ways you can use it. The first thing is if you have any unwanted goods at home, you can just mark it up on your eBay store and you can sell it and make a couple of bucks. But then you can also go wholesale. And in this case, you can purchase products that people are using on a regular basis, like for instance, clothing items or kitchen items or beauty supplies, and you can sell it on your eBay store. But you can also go the drop shipping route. And this is where you register with a drop shipper and they would take care of shipping the product to your customer. You just have to worry about any after sales support. But what people also don't realize is you can also go another route, and that's by registering with the eBay Partner Network. Now with the eBay Partner Network, you can earn money by driving traffic and promoting sales across one of the world's largest and most diverse marketplaces. Essentially, what you sign up as an affiliate for eBay, and what you're going to do is you're going to be monetizing the traffic from a huge platform such as eBay. You're going to be appealing to eBay users all across the world, and eBay does offer quite competitive commission rates. So you can maybe advertise the products via your blog post, article, or website, or you can even create a YouTube channel and talk about certain items. Just send people via your affiliate link to eBay, and for every successful transaction that takes place, you earn a commission. The next website is Amazon.com. Now, Amazon.com has been around for years and it's a legit marketplace, but also here you got a lot of opportunities, just like eBay, to make some good money online. First of all, you can sell any items that you want to sell as a third-party seller on Amazon. But then you've also got an option of registering for the Amazon Associates program. And that's very similar to the eBay Partner Network, where you're an affiliate for the Amazon Marketplace. And the cool part is, if anybody buys anything via your affiliate link, once they buy something from Amazon, and let's just say if they decide to buy maybe this Back to the Future Lego set, and they decide to buy another item at the same time, then you would get a commission for those items as well. The other way in which you can earn is via the Amazon Kindle publishing program. This is where you can publish your very own Kindle ebooks, and you can earn a commission from that, and that would be royalties, so it's passive income. And then they've also got their own dropshipping model called Amazon FBA. And the FBA program is a program where they basically pick, pack, and ship your orders to your customers. You just have to follow up on any customer queries that your customer may have. So that is the two e-commerce sites that you can sign up for. Now I'm going to show you a site where you have to be a bit more creative, and this is a site where you can sell domain names. Okay, so this website is called brandpa.com. Now this is a website where you can come up with some really nifty and cool domain names, and you can list it on the Brandpa website. And as you can see, the prices are minimum from $1,000 upwards. So look at this one, investchef.com, $1,495, and it's some good money if somebody decides to buy your domain name. And then there's much more shorter domain names. Look at this one, $9,600. Now that's a lot, eh? Right, I just want to show you some of the terms and conditions. Okay, here are some folks where they're saying professional servers with very efficient and quick turnaround, would not hesitate to use again. So these are folks that have purchased domain names from the website. So it shows you that people are buying these sort of domain names. And now if you come down to the bottom, sell your domain names, the best domain landing pages. Now, these guys offer quite a bit of tools to help you to get your domain sold. They offer free listing and pro listing. And pro listing is not that much. I mean, take into account, if you do get someone purchasing your domain name, you cover up that cost. And this is what they offer. Logo design, gorgeous 3D renders of each brand, right? And if you come down, smart promotion for your domain names. They even tell you our dashboard has been designed to be crazy fast and powerful, and our average domain sells for around $3,000, with over 97% of our domains priced over $1,000. We don't let you list domains below $1,000 unless they've already been listed for sale on Brandpa for a while. So that is definitely worth your while to check out. You just have to be a bit creative and brainstorm a couple of names, and then search the domain names, use a database to see what the valuation comes to. The last two websites that I'm going to chat to you about are going to help you to become either a full-time or a part-time online entrepreneur. With these two websites in mind, you're going to be learning the high income skills, and these high income skills will help you to do one of two things, or you can do both of them. You can either build yourself a business with a full-time earning potential, or you can help other people in their existing business and you can charge them premium prices. Let's take a look at the first site. Okay, so the first of these two websites is Wealthy Affiliate. Now, I have been a member of Wealthy Affiliate from 2015, so I can tell you that these guys are definitely legit. They've actually been around for now 15 years. The owners are Kyle and Carson. And the main purpose of Wealthy Affiliate is to teach you on how to build your very own SEO affiliate marketing business. So basically what you're going to be learning is when you sign up to Wealthy Affiliate, they're going to teach you on how you can get a website, even if you are brand new to the world of online affiliate marketing, how to get your website ranked onto favorable pages on Google as well as various other search engines. Now, if you remember earlier on, I showed you how much people can charge for SEO fees. This is a skill that you're going to be learning to implement in your own online business as well as helping other people out. So you can be 100% certain that you're going to be learning a skill that's going to be lasting as long as the internet is around. All right, so I just want to show you what their website looks like. Transform your ideas into profits, start a business from 1 million lucrative niches. So they're going to help you to choose a niche for your business. They're going to then help you to build your very own website, because they have a very own built-in website builder, which is inclusive of hosting and all of that. And then they're going to show you the strategies on how you can get traffic. So this is where they're going to teach you the basics of white hat SEO techniques. And once you've got your website ranked, it's simply a matter of being consistent, and then you're going to be able to do affiliate marketing for a range of websites. They've been 17 years in the business, 193 countries, 1.4 million members. And I just want to show you quickly what the member area looks like. So welcome back to Wealthy Affiliate. I just want to log in. Okay, so yeah, I'm in the membership area. Now you can sign up for free to Wealthy Affiliate, and the main thing is the training. And when you sign up for free, you're gonna be able to do two of the main flagship courses. The one is the online entrepreneurship course, which is what I would recommend, and this got 10 levels, and level 1 is what you can do for free without even purchasing any of the paid membership options. So go ahead and check out level 1 of the Wealthy Affiliate Online Entrepreneurship course. They've got good support. They've got a live chat going on. They've got technical support, which is available 24/7. You can even do your very own blog posting and post whatever is on your mind. You can even private message everybody, including the owners. So support is definitely there. So if you want to check out Wealthy Affiliate, I have put a link that is in the video description below this video. Okay, now we've come to the last website, which is my number one recommendation, especially if you want to make some really serious money online. Now, this website is called Legendary Marketer, and the Legendary Marketer is going to be teaching you one of the 4 business models, whichever one you choose as you decide to sign on to Legendary Marketer. And these opportunities are either high ticket affiliate marketing, selling your very own digital products, your coaching and consulting, and events and masterminds. Now, the reason why these 4 core business models are so different from any other business models is, first of all, they fulfill 3 important criteria. Okay, so this is what the legendarymarketer.com website looks like. Online marketing education delivered simply and with integrity. What is Legendary Marketer? To help people start an online business or grow an existing business using online and cutting edge marketing strategies. So I'm just going to log in and show you what the members area is all about. So like I said previously, the 3 criteria for any business models to be a solid business model is you must be able to get more and more customers on a regular basis. So in other words, you must be able to at least have a passive income to your business. Then the second criteria is you must be able to make repeated sales to your existing customers. And then the third criteria is that you must be able to sell high ticketed products to your customers. And that's the only way you can scale and grow your business. And those 4 business models that I show you fulfills those 3 criteria. And that's what you're going to be learning here at Legendary Marketer. So these are all the products that they have. They have the various blueprints that you can buy for each of the business models, the affiliate marketing, digital products, events and masterminds, coaching. Then they have other products such as Marketers Club. This is where you can sign up and you get it's a monthly subscription where they send you cutting edge technology on what is happening with the world of marketing. And then you get Traffic University. This is where you learn on how you want to become an expert in paid advertising. And in affiliate marketing ebook that goes for about $1, so it's worthwhile checking that out, and that tells you about the basics of affiliate marketing. So if you want to check out Legendary Marketer, like I said, it's my #1 recommendation. I have put a link that is also within this video description. Those are the websites that you can use to make $50 or more per day. As you might have guessed, the last 2 options does require a bit more time and effort on your part, because you need to learn the skills or the blueprints in order to get those businesses off the ground. But the potential for pay is way more than just $50 per day. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave it below this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button so that we can chat in my next video. I wish you everything of the best in your online success. Goodbye.